In this video, we will know how to prepare ammonium sulfate solution with 30%, 100% and 35% and with 75% saturation. For normal conditions, if you want to prepare fully saturated solutions of ammonium sulfate in a liter of distilled water, you have to put 50 550 grams of ammonium sulfate in water. Now, what will happen if you want to prepare 30% solution of ammonium sulfate? What will be amount of ammonium sulfate in this condition? For this condition, ammonium sulfate weight will be 17.83 grams, and the water that will be added will be 100 ml. Now, I am talking the preparation of ammonium sulfate solution in 100 ml. When you will add 17.83 grams of ammonium sulfate in 100 ml of water, final volume will be. Now, volume of the solution will be raised to 109.69 ml. Now, that is a very easy way to prepare 30% solution of ammonium sulfate in 100 ml of water. Now, what will happen if you want to prepare 75% solution of ammonium sulfate in 100 ml of water? Here, by 75% means 75% saturated solution of ammonium sulfate. For this purpose, weight of ammonium sulfate will be 52.15 grams, and amount of water will be same 100 ml, because we are preparing this solution for 100 ml. Keeping in mind, if we want to increase the volume of water, let's say if you want to make 100 instead of 100 ml, you want to make 200 ml solution, then you have to double the amount. Now, here in this case, final volume of the solution will be raised to 128.34 ml. Now, again, if I repeat, for 30% saturated solution, what will you do? You will take 17.83 grams of ammonium sulfate and you will dissolve it in 100 ml of water, and the final volume of the solution will be raised to 109.69 milliliters. Now, if you want to prepare 75% saturated solution, now what will you do? You will take ammonium sulfate 52.15 grams and you will dissolve it in 100 ml of water, and the final volume will be 128.34 ml. Now, what will you do if you want to prepare 35% saturated for 35% saturated solution, weight of ammonium. For this purpose, weight of ammonium sulfate will be 21.14 grams. And if, as you know, we are preparing this solution in 100 ml of water, then volume of water will be same, and it will be considered as 100 ml. Now, after this, final volume of solution will be raised to 111 plus 49 ml. Now these are the easy ways to prepare ammonium sulfate solutions at different levels. Normally ammonium sulfate is used for protein precipitation, and it is the easy way to prepare ammonium sulfate solution in 100 ml. And if you want to, let's say if you want to double the amount of water, then what will you do? You will increase the number of grams that you are adding to solution. Now, if you want to make a fully saturated solution in 1 liter, you have to put 550 grams of ammonium sulfate in 1 liter of water.